so much for joining me. So today I want to share my design team with you. Okay, so I've just opened my YouTube app. I'm doing a bit of a screen recording. So the first lady that I'm going to share with you is Suzi from Suzi Mac Creations, and she is the most lovely lady. I'm going to leave links to all of these ladies, and they are all ladies, in the description box below so that you can go and find them really easily. Okay, let me just turn my volume up. So Suzi Mac is from Scotland. She has the most divine voice, and if we go to her videos, you can see there she does an awful lot of projects using my design papers. She does use other papers as well, and does lots and lots of different kinds of crafting. I met Suzi first of all in the card making community. Beautiful crafter, shares lots of ideas. She does share tutorials from time to time, but in the main it is nice, quick, relaxing videos, sharing what she's made, giving you inspiration from the journals that she's put together, so you can get a whole heap of ideas. And her journals, she normally makes quite slim journals with maybe one signature. Not necessarily great big chunky ones like me. She always does hers different to me. So she's going to give you a different kind of inspiration to mine. And that's the whole idea of a design team. Okay, so that's Suzi Mac Creations. Absolutely love her to pieces. Go check out what she does. And if you like what she does, hit the subscribe button and show her some crafty love. She's got 1,117 subscribers. All of my ladies are what and I don't mean this in a derogatory way, they are smaller channels. And I pick smaller channels on purpose in the hope that I can maybe help get them a little bit more exposure, because all of these ladies are fantastic. So the next lady I'm going to share with you is Jenny. Jenny is just lovely. Quite new to journal making. And she's trying really hard with the channel. 685 subscribers, okay? But 338 videos already. How amazing is that? And she, again, lovely, light-hearted, fun, lovely to watch, and she does all sorts of things. If we just have a quick look at her videos, as you can see here, she's doing a challenge hosted by Christine. I don't know, I don't want to start clicking into it. So she does do lots of things other than just sharing my papers. But she makes the most lovely things. Really lovely. Lots and lots of videos, lots and lots of ideas, lots of fun. As you can see, her favourite colour is pink. A really lovely lady. So go and show her some crafty love as well. Apologies for the coughing. Next is Laura from Laura's Handcrafted Treats and Treasures. Laura is just divine, and Laura is my most long-standing DT member. She's been with me a very long time, and again she shares lots of videos on lots of topics, not just using my papers. She uses all sorts of things, and she comes up with some fantastic ideas. There she's making some tassels. Down here she made a heap of I think those were calendars. And Laura does a lot of craft fairs over there in the US of A. So she comes up with some really awesome ideas of things to sell on craft fairs. Quick, easy makes that sell well. She's amazing. Again, she's just lovely. She's got a lovely calming voice, a lovely accent, and she's just divine. Slightly larger channel there at 4,000 viewers. Let me just silence my other PC so we're not getting noise in the background. She's just lovely and so supportive, and just shares her true passion for crafting, as do all of the ladies. Then we've got Zenfully Crafter, and this is Anne, and she shares some items using my digitals as well, but her passion is what do you call it? Zenfully Crafty. So she does Zentangle. I couldn't think of the word then. So she follows a lot of challenges and things to do with Zentangle and other things that she's interested in, as well as things that she's made using my collection. So another really interesting creator to follow. Her channel is quite new because previously she shared everything on Instagram. So please do go and show Anne some crafty love. You know, let's help these ladies build their channels. And then let's move on to, let me see if I can find her. Hold on a minute, because I did have it up here, but I've lost it. Here we go, I've got her to the side here. We've got Dawn from the the Reclusive Crafter. Excuse me. Dawn is absolutely amazing. She's just recently retired so that she can spend even more time crafting. And as you'll see here from her videos, if we click video, she makes things using my digitals and lots of other things. And she comes up with all sorts. She recently did this one here, if you can see my pointer. Journal reveal with keepsake box. And she made that using one of my collections. And it is the most beautiful journal. Go and have a look. But look at all of her other videos. Whack and stack mass make. The lady makes more videos than I do. Masterboard, start to finish. Lots and lots of ideas and inspiration. And you can craft along with Dawn. So those ladies are my design team members. Quite a small design team. And they help me and they share videos, and I do promote them on my Facebook page, on my Ko-fi and everything. But this is the first time I've shared them on YouTube. All in one place. I will leave links in the description box below so you can follow them all along. Follow along with them all. They're fantastic ladies, and I pick people very carefully who I know to be good-natured, friendly, fun, and, you know, do a wide variety of things, not just working with my products. So they're well worth a watch. And I'm going to do a little bit of a shout out here. I really, really, really would love a design team member from Australia or New Zealand. And yeah, because I've got a lot of Aussie followers. So I've got one lady from the USA, that's Laura. The other ladies are from the UK. So I really would very much like some more international design team members. So if you're interested, you can drop me an email, you can message me over on Facebook, message me on Ko-fi. You don't get an awful lot in return, I will admit. Most design team members get, they don't always get what they deserve in way of payment. I give my design team members free access to all of my digitals, including all of my membership items. Quite a number of them were already members, and so what I do is I will refund their membership fee in lump sums when I remember, but I do always do it. And then recently, because I'd had quite a growth in memberships, and so obviously I was earning a little bit more money, I was able to send out some of my design team members some gift packages. So, you know, I'd ask them what they'd like, whether they'd like me to make them a handmade journal, or whether they'd like some crafty products up to X amount of value of money. And I purchased those items for them and shipped them out. And one previous design team member asked for a journal, so I made her a journal. So that's how I kind of repay their kindness, but they very much do it for the passion of crafting and the passion of sharing. And obviously, hopefully, they can attract more followers to their social media by being part of a design team as well. So that's why I'm doing my bit here and sharing their channels with you and asking you to please go and check them out. And if you like what you see, then do hit the subscribe button. You won't be disappointed, because those are some of the most loveliest people, genuine crafters, genuine lovely people. Not one of them has ever given me one word of negativity. I don't think it's in the nature. So I'm very proud of my design team. I'm very proud of what all of the ladies do. Those that are quite new to crafting, I'm getting to see and watch them grow and grow in confidence. Especially Dawn here, the Reclusive Crafter, on her channel was a little bit shy at the beginning, but her confidence has really grown. Same with Jenny, and same with Anne. I mean, Laura's handmade craft and creation. She's been at it a good while. She knows what she's doing. All of the other ladies do as well, but you know, they were quite new and they were a little bit shy, and you know, it's helping them grow their channels, growing their confidence, and they just live to craft and share the same as me. So go and show them some crafty love. So that is the I can't say it. Reclusive Crafter, Dawn. Laura from Laura's Handcrafted Treats and Treasures. Maybe I just need to slow my speech down. Jenny from Jenny's Crafty Corner. We've got Suzi Mac Creations, and then we've got, where's she gone? Anne from Zenfully. Where have you gone? Let me see if I can find her again. Hold on a minute. She'll be down here. There we go. Zenfully Crafty. Let's find her again. There we go. Anne from Zenfully Crafty. Check those ladies out. Share the crafty love and follow along, because they will give you heaps of inspiration with extra inspiration to what I give with my collections, giving you a completely different look on how to use the papers, along with lots of other crafty inspiration too. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.